Hi everyone, this is a simple experiment to demonstrate to you charging of a capacitor, how it happens, and what is the characteristic of the current and the voltage in the circuit. So basically we have here a very simple circuit composed of a voltage source, which is 10 volt DC, connected in series with a 10 kilo ohm resistance in series with 1000 microfarad capacitor. So it's a very simple circuit, only two elements and the voltage supply. Now what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to measure the voltage across the capacitor, and this voltage is very small voltage, which is around 28 millivolt, very residual voltage, and here the current is zero. So what I'm gonna do here now, I will connect the circuit by connecting this lead here. Once I connect this, I want you to watch what will happen to the current and the voltage. So we're going to watch this and try to understand what is going on in both the voltage and the current. So now we'll connect here and let's look to both of them. So here see the voltage. Now the voltage start to increase and the current start with a high value and start to decrease. So the voltage is increasing and the current is decreasing. The more I am charging the capacitor, the less is the current. And we'll see how much what is the value of the voltage that we will reach, and try to understand. The current is still going down and down. Now it is 44 microamps. And the voltage now starts to increase a little bit. It's approaching 10 volt, which we expect. This is the supply 10 volt. So we expect that the capacitor will be charged to maximum of 10 volt. And here the current is getting lower and lower value, approaching zero. So what's going on here? As we understand now from the principle of capacitor, when the capacitor is fully charged, it would act like an open circuit. And the current will be zero. Why? Because now we have an open circuit. And the voltage will eventually reach to the supply voltage. So you have the voltage supply 10 volt and the capacitor is also, now it's almost 10 volt. So now between these two nodes we have the same voltage, so there will be no current. Now the current is diminishing completely and approaching zero. Now what I will do, I will just, and now it becomes 10 volt. Now it's fully charged. I will open the circuit here by removing this lead, and then I will look to the voltage of the capacitor. So I removed it now. So now there is no connection between the supply and the capacitor, and the capacitor now will hold the voltage for some time until you go and use it and discharge it in another circuit. And this is the whole idea of the capacitor. You charge it and then you discharge it.